So, how does artificial intelligence actually work? Let's forget all the complicated jargon for a minute, forget the sci-fi movies. Today, we're going to break it all down to its simplest core idea so that anyone can get it. Let's jump right in.
When you hear AI, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Is it some kind of super intelligent, all-knowing brain, something straight out of Hollywood? Or is it something else entirely? Maybe more like a really, really smart tool? Well, that's the big question we're going to tackle, and I think the answer is going to surprise you.
To really wrap our heads around this, the best place to start is actually with what AI isn't. If we can clear up the biggest misconception right from the get-go, I promise everything else is going to click right into place. Okay, this right here is the absolute key. We humans, we understand meaning. We feel things, joy, frustration, curiosity, and AI doesn't. Not at all. It's better to think of it as a brilliant pattern matcher. It can look at mountains of information and spot connections we'd never see, but it doesn't understand the why behind any of it. It's all about making a prediction, not having a perception. So if AI doesn't think or feel, how on earth does it get so smart? How does it manage to write a poem or create a beautiful image? Well, it all comes down to one single secret ingredient. And that secret ingredient is data. Now, data can sound a little technical, but it's really just a fancy word for information. But we're not talking about a small library here. I want you to imagine everything on the internet, every article, every single photo, every video. For an AI, all of that data is its textbook. It's the entire universe it learns from. And the more it gets, the better it learns. It's that simple. Okay, so we have our ingredient, a massive amount of data. Now what's the recipe? Well, believe it or not, the entire process, from start to finish, can be boiled down to a really simple 3-step workflow. This slide lays it out perfectly. It really is this simple. First, an enormous amount of data goes in. Second, the AI processes all that information and learns the patterns inside of it. And third, it generates a result, an answer, a suggestion, a picture, based on all those patterns it found. Let's make that our little mantra. Data in, patterns learned, results out. I know this might still sound a bit abstract, so let's make it real. Let's take a look at how this 3-step process is already working in something you use every single day, probably without even thinking about it. Yeah, let's talk about using a search engine. You probably do it dozens of times a day, right? It feels almost instant, like magic. But it's not magic. It's just our simple 3-step process working perfectly in the background. So when you type something into that little search bar, here's what's really going on. Step 1. Data goes in. That's your search term, but it's also data from millions and millions of previous searches. Step 2. The AI finds patterns. It sees which results people with similar questions found the most useful. And Step 3. It generates a result. It shows you that ranked list of links it predicts you're going to want to see. That's it. Data, patterns, results. That is AI in action. And this brings us to a super important point. This isn't about AI taking over or working all by itself. It's designed to be a partnership where the human, that's you, is always the most important part of the equation. Think of AI as just a really powerful assistant. It can analyze information faster than any human ever could, which helps us make better decisions, it saves us time, it improves our speed. But, and this is the crucial part, we're the ones guiding it. We give it the goals, we fine-tune the output, and at the end of the day, we decide what to do with the results. It works with us, not instead of us. So, if you take away just one thing from all of this today, let it be this. At its heart, AI is a system that learns from information, finds patterns within it, and then gives you an output. It is not magic, and it is definitely not a conscious mind. It's a tool, a powerful one, but a tool. And I want to leave you with this final thought. AI can seem huge and intimidating from the outside, I get it. But as we've just seen, the basic idea is actually pretty simple. The biggest barrier to understanding and using this powerful new tool isn't its complexity, it's our own hesitation. Fear blocks learning. So, the real question is, now that you know the basics, what are you going to learn next?